Hello everyone, welcome to this very quick DIY project for these folding chairs. I bought them years ago and recently just decided to use them as extra chairs in our kitchen. But as you can see, there is already broken a leader on both of them. But otherwise there is nothing wrong with them. So I just remove screws from all parts and then I slowly started to remove that old leader. As you can see on first part, I also removed all pins, but you really don't have to do it. You can just cut the leader out and keep that pins on the place as they are keeping foam. And also on the bottom part, I kept that leader as I didn't have enough fabric to cover a whole bottom sitting part. And then for attaching fabric, I used just small nails with a hammer. I just really recommend to use proper hammer, because this one which I used, I just quickly found it in my tools box, and as you can see, it's not proper hammer. So please just go and find one, because before I finish this project, I had to go and find my proper pin hammer, as these two becomes basically useless. For top part, I recommend to use just stapler. This one which I use is just for office, for paper, but it works great as this top part is just really really harder cardboard which is attached to metal construction. So it worked great, and also it helped me to manage all these rounded edges. And then I just went to garden and I used black paint to just paint it this metal construction. So once back, I just screw back everything how it was before. Just a small tip, please make sure you also left some paint for your screws, as I didn't. So my screws end up with silver color on black chairs, but never mind, it still looks nice. I'm happy with this. I'm going to use them just as extra chairs in my kitchen in case if someone is visiting. If you like this, just please give me a like, subscribe, and see you later.